Okay, we're going to check out some of the capabilities of the Esprit machine setup, as well as the capabilities utilizing the machine awareness that is built into the simulation engine inside of Esprit's new version with the new interface. So just to kind of run through some of the simulation on this part, we've got multiple operations for different sides of this part. We've got some facing, some roughing, some finishing on the outside. We've got some indexable drilling, etc. So let's go ahead and stop here. Let's look through the list. You can see here that we've got a single facing, a single roughing, a single finish, a single 20mm drill. So we're going to go to the home machine setup, and what I'm going to do is make a few edits. So we see our part is sitting on the table, and what I want to do is just move some stuff around to get it out of the way. So this lang, we're going to go ahead and edit this, and I'm going to say 250 and 150, and we're going to bring it up and over so it's out of the way. So here on this base plate, I'm going to load a new fixture. This fixture is going to be the multi-sided pyramid, and this pyramid has 3 positions that it could be located. We're going to pick the center position on this multi-sided base plate. And now, at this point, I can take everything that from this macro grip vise plus the workpiece, I'm going to right click and say cut, and on the pyramid I'm going to say paste and select all 3 positions. And then coming back to this riser, I'll just delete that from the list so it's out of the way. And now you'll see that we have multiple parts listed on the 3 positions on the pyramid table. I'll come here to looking at my processes. I can come here to the part view and maybe look at the optimized program. We have facing, roughing, finish, drill, 20mm. When I come back to the machine setup, you'll see that I have, starting at the beginning, facing, 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 roughing, roughing, roughing. So we have 3 facings, 3 roughs, 3 finishes because we have 3 parts. So let's go ahead and simulate this from the beginning and see what happens. So I'm going to go back to my simulation and hit start. So here we see the face mill come in, spindle turns on, we face down the top of the part, everything indexes. Let me speed this up just a little bit here. So do the 3 facing operations. We do some roughing around the outside as we saw before on all 3 parts. So you'll see that the between the facing and the 20mm end mill there was no indexing of the part, so it knows which one it did last. So here again, instead of doing the first one all the time, it knows which one is already positioned that was machined last. And now it's going in reverse order. And now we go to tool change and we start doing some drilling operations. Speed up the table movement. So you'll see here that the flexibility inside of Esprit is far greater in terms of determining whether you're going to hit a stroke limit on your machine or you're going to have work holding that will work for you. There's not going to be a lot of time spent on optimizing programs to minimize linking moves and things like that. So when you do get to the machine tool with this program, you'll find the program to be far more optimized in minimizing downtime of the machine waiting on program edits.